Morning, grade 3. Today's lesson is the triangles. It's in the student book, page 310. What is the triangle? The triangle is the smallest polygon. We said before that the polygon is any closed shape drawn by straight line segments or straight sides. So the triangle is the smallest polygon. Why? Because it has only 3 sides and 3 angles. We have different types of triangles according to the sides and according to the angles. Let's start by the types of triangles according to sides. The first type is the equilateral triangle. Why do we call it equilateral triangle? Because it has 3 equal sides. The 3 sides of this triangle are equal in length. Then we go to the next type of triangles according to sides, which is the isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle, it has 2 equal sides, but the third side is different in length. That's why we call it isosceles triangle. The third type of triangles according to the sides is the scalene triangle. The scalene triangle, it has 3 different sides. The 3 sides, you see them here, are different in length. So this triangle we call it scalene triangle. So the first type is the equilateral triangle, which has 3 equal sides. Then the isosceles triangle, which has 2 equal sides, and the third is different in length. The third type according to the sides is the scalene, which has 3 different sides. Then we come to the types of triangles according to the angles. The types of triangles according to angles are also 3 types. The first is the right angled triangle. This triangle has 1 right angle and 2 acute angles. This is the first type of triangles according to angles. The second type of triangles is the acute angled triangle. This triangle has 3 acute angles. It means that all its angles are acute. Then the last type of triangles according to angles is the obtuse angled triangle. This triangle has 1 obtuse angle and 2 acute angles. The other 2 are acute angles. So again, we have different types of triangles according to the sides and according to the angles. Let's see them again. The first type of triangles according to sides is the equilateral triangle, which has 3 equal sides. Whatever the length of the sides, as long as they are equal in length, we call this triangle an equilateral triangle. Then the second type of triangles according to sides is the isosceles triangle. This triangle has 2 equal sides in length, while the third is different in length. This is the isosceles triangle. And then the third type of triangles according to sides is the scalene triangle. This triangle has 3 different sides in length. Whatever the length of the sides, but they are 3 different in length, so we call this triangle scalene triangle. Then we come to the 3 different types of triangles according to angles. The first one is the right angled triangle. This triangle has 1 right angle and 2 acute angles. So this is the right angled triangle. Then the second type of triangles according to angles is the acute angled triangle, which has 3 acute angles. The last type we have of triangles according to angles is the obtuse angled triangle. This triangle has 1 obtuse angle and 2 acute angles. I hope you will study the names of the triangles according to the sides and the names according to the angles very well, and you can differentiate between each type. Thank you and good luck.